Hey everyone, this is Matt, Home Farm Ideas. That's my boy Ryan. He thinks I'm taking a picture, don't you, Ryan?
No.
Okay, I'm doing a video. So today we are planting our victory garden / grave. Now I was gonna plant my potatoes in root pouches, but I decided that I'm gonna try to see what the soil looked like under here, because in years past we had really heavy clay, but I amended it over years and years and years, and it looks pretty good. This is the side that we've already done. I added compost to it, as you can see on top there, but the soil was actually really soft. So I'm gonna plant my Yukons in this area here in front of my AP system where I grow sweet potatoes. So, you know what'd be cool is if the sweet potatoes came down and vined into the garden, because I did that on another video, which you can see right here at the card section. But basically sweet potatoes grew out of that and into the ground, and then rooted into, they were in root pouches and then rooted in there where I had compost, and bam, I got a bunch of sweet potatoes. So this is going to be the potato area. So I'm going to try to get all this done. I'm only going to do just little videos. I'm not going to go into all kinds of craziness and fancy trickery on the videos. So I'll update you guys as we move along here. So Rain over there, she's getting some of our soil that we've composted over the year. Actually, probably 2 years now, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so because we haven't been using it much because we've been doing the aquaponics system. But I want to double up, so I want to plant out my AP system, and then I also want to plant out all my soil. Show them that sweet soil, Rain. Sprinkle it. Bam! I also did want to mention that when you are taking grass caps off, you want to try and make sure that you start with an edge. So make an edge here. I don't know if a lot of you guys know this, so I'm just going to go over it with you. You want to make an edge, and then I'm not going to go crazy in getting all the roots out of this grass, but I'm going to try to go under probably about 2 to 4 inches underneath the grass pad. Okay, and then when you do that, instead of just pushing with all your weight like I'm doing right now, it won't slide. So you have to actually do a chopping motion, but make sure that you're underneath that grass. Okay, and then you just pop up where it's not working, and that'll usually get it loose, and then you can shovel it and bring it aside. Don't worry about the crabgrass roots, because those are going to be in there as well for most grasses. So what you want to do is just get the top layer off, and then after that come back and just take huge shovelfuls, toss it in the air, let it drop onto a harder surface, and then tap it a couple times, and that'll have that root ball that's amassed in there, and you can grab that and take it out. So so basically take the cap off first, and then take all the crabgrass out. And while you're doing that, you're tilling the soil. So we're doing it all by hand. You don't want to get too much soil on this side because you're trying to follow a line. And when you're doing it, you want to get your shovel from the last line you did. You want to get your shovel kind of right in the middle of that line and just kind of cut it. Okay. And so little tips. Hopefully they help you. All right, so I got the boss on it now.
Yeah, I'm the big boss.
He is. He's a big boy.
Awesome.
Toss it up, smash. See, and then you expose crabgrass. Ooh! Toss it up, smash. Then you expose crabgrass.
And then you throw it in the trash.
Oh!
They call me Rhythm Master 2000.
5,000.
No, 2000.
So anyways, guys, don't let fear freeze you up from doing what should be done anyway in March. Well, around California in March. Get your gardens ready, take the steps necessary, and don't be afraid. I'm a Christian. I know a lot of you guys out there aren't or are not, but the Bible says that fear is not from God. Fear is from Satan, and it causes confusion. So do something productive while you're waiting. Crabgrass. Crabgrass.
Fear is a 4-letter word, ladies. You want to go pee in your big boy slacks? Keep it to yourself.
That's Wreck-It Ralph.
Yeah, I love that movie.
All right. We are done. 12 inches apart, about 5 to 3 inches deep. He's a garden gangster. So not perfect, but we're gonna cover him up now and water him in. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And on the group, I want to see you guys' gardens start to go up. You need to encourage other people as you're planting as well. I know it's a lot of work, but it's worth it. And if anybody remembers, read Psalm 91 if you want to see how God feels about you. He loves us and he'd never leave us. And that's what he said in his word. And he also says in his word that he's a God that never changes. So he's a firm foundation. So what he says is true. So I know that I'll get haters hating on me for that, but you know what? You don't have hope. I do. I have hope in my God, and I don't need anything else. I can plant food. He brings the increase, and I'm not afraid. So anyway, hit that like button if you like the message, obviously. Connect with me, you guys. Post something below. Say hi. Say hi to my kids.
Yo, what up?
Even though they're dumb
It's
gang
Home
members.
Slice here. Like father, like daughter.
You know what I'm saying?
I just got it worse.
So anyway, God bless you guys, and like always, peace. I forgot to tell you, we added another 2 to 3 inches of compost to the top, which will hold the moisture in and add extra nutrients. Potatoes are kind of nutrient hogs. So yeah, so God bless you guys like always, and again, peace.